What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason, and in today's episode, we're going to talk about Elon Musk and how Elon is getting sued for selling $7.5 billion worth of Tesla stock right after he promised an epic end of the year to shareholders. It's a pretty crazy lawsuit, guys. Elon Musk faces allegations that he illegally sold $7.5 billion worth of equity in Tesla in the fourth quarter of 2022, knowing that the business would disappoint after promising investors an epic end of the year. If you haven't yet, guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about how Elon Musk is now getting sued for some insider trading. All right, everyone, let's take a look at this article from Yahoo Finance. It says, in a lawsuit filed with Delaware court late last week, shareholder Michael Perry accused both the CEO of deliberately unloading nearly 45 million shares in advance of poor vehicle sales data to prevent an estimated 55% hit in value, and almost the entire board of collectively violating their responsibility of directors towards shareholders. So pretty much what this means is Elon Musk knew that the sales data and the vehicle data was terrible, right? So he sold his shares before the news broke to the public so he could sell those shares at a higher price, essentially insider trading. By disposing $7,530,113,926 worth of Tesla stock in November and December of 2022 while he was in possession of adverse material non-public information, Elon Musk exploited his position at Tesla and he breached his fiduciary duties in Tesla, the lawsuit claims, adding other directors were both knowing and culpable as well. Okay, the next part is the craziest part, right? Unlike previous stock sales by Tesla insiders, however, these were not the result of Rule 10b-5-1 trading plan, which removes discretion over timing from an insider and hands them to a third-party broker. Tesla shares slumped to a 2-year low on January 3rd, 2023, following the release of the car sales data, right? So this wasn't a planned sale. So sometimes when insiders are given options and shares, there's like a planned sell of shares, like 6 months, a year, whatever it is. This wasn't a planned sale. So he sold these shares knowing that the data was going to come out crappy and then the share price would get smoked. So not only was there a lot of insider trading that happened, $7.5 billion worth, but once the news broke, the stock got absolutely destroyed, right? So it's kind of hard to believe that Elon Musk didn't sell those shares knowing exactly what was going to happen to the share price once the news of the vehicle sales was released. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think there was some insider trading happening here at Tesla and with Elon Musk? Did he sell these shares just to raise capital, or did he sell these shares knowing that the stock price was going to crash and his shares would not be worth as much? I find it hard to believe that he just coincidentally sold these shares in November and December, and then in January the stock got absolutely smoked after their earnings report, right? There's a lot of fishy stuff going on with Elon Musk right now, and in the next couple of weeks, shareholders are going to vote on whether or not to give Elon Musk this huge package worth like $50 billion, man. He's doing some shady stuff, and it looks like he's going to get caught for some insider trading, in my opinion. I just think it's way too coincidental that he sold in November and December, then in January, the stock absolutely tanks. The plaintiff in this particular lawsuit is asking for Musk's illegal gains, which the plaintiff estimates at $3 billion to be returned to the company via disgorgement, and is seeking damages from all 8 directors at the time for their reckless disregard. So he wants to get that money taken back from Elon Musk and put back into Tesla. The insider trader claims are Musk's latest legal headache following the January ruling that voided his 2018 shareholder vote for a record compensation deal. Tesla is rerunning that vote on June 13th, which I was just talking about, right? So if you're a Tesla shareholder, are you voting for the package for Elon Musk or against it, right? I only own like 20 shares of Tesla, but I don't know how much of a proponent I would be for this package. The reason I say it's because he's done great things for the company, right? That can't be denied. He's been a great asset, but I just don't think Tesla is his number one concern moving forward. And as a shareholder, if you're going to give this guy $50 billion, you want his focus to be on Tesla, not the myriad of other things that are garnering his attention right now. So in my opinion, I don't think I would vote for him to get this package. I want him to get compensated, but $50 billion seems like a shit ton of money to me. And the company hasn't really been performing over the last 2 years, right? So we'll see what happens on June 13th. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this lawsuit? Do you think Elon is guilty or innocent of these claims? And if you're a shareholder, are you voting for or against the package that's going to happen on June 13th? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.